This is Buckle playing. He's in his playing mode right now. Good boy! Good boy! See what a pretty color he is? He's a red tabby and white. Very easygoing. Come over here, Buckle. Oh! Ran right into the camera. So that's him playing with his favorite toy. Big gold eyes. Beautiful curled ears. Lovely red, as I said before. And he's not very big. He's only about 7 pounds maybe. He's one of the smaller males we've had. Well, he's 2 years old, and there he is. Hey, Buckle! He's interested in this new rug that we have. Buckle!